PSI is organizing a conference. It is called PepsCon 2014. This is a seminar on pre-engineered and precast concrete structures. So now most of the countries, they are already adopting precast technology. In our country also it already started. And it's relevant also. The seminar is very much relevant for today's requirement of the infrastructure and also housing. See, urbanization is taking place very rapidly across the globe and also in our India. And already we have a huge shortfall of the housing at the economical bigger section and low cost and middle housing. And also huge infrastructure is also required to meet the requirement. And it is estimated about $1 trillion is required for the capital investment next up to 2030. So much of requirement demand is there. To meet that demand, our traditional methods may not be helpful. We need a mass construction, speed construction, and new technology is required, new material, lightweight material, and definitely this seminar on the pre-engineered and precast concrete will bring in new technologies, and finally what we can expect from them is one is the quality product, and also over a period of time the cost also will come down. Then we can meet the demand. Then in the process the wastage of material will be almost negligible, I can say. Today in the traditional method of construction we are wasting a lot of material. Today material cost is too high, and also labor problem is there. So to overcome the skilled labor problem also, the precast and pre-engineering technology is very much required today. And not only that, see, we always talk about the pollution. In the urban areas, pollution is there, and we talk about environment. And with this adoption of the precast and pre-engineering technology, we can avoid the pollution in the urban areas. That is another advantage. And now even governments, recently we have seen, in fact we advocate also earlier through CREDAI that similar to the food security, there has to be a security for the shelter. Government should give the security for the shelter, and we have seen one of the manifesto, right to shelter. So that will really create confidence among all the citizens in the country that they are going to own a house. And this is a business opportunity for the developers and also all the consultants and the manufacturers. Definitely, if the right to shelter is going to be implemented, and not only our industry, all dependent industries, about 300 ancillary units are there, cement, steel like industries, they also flourish, and definitely we may reach the double-digit growth GDP. That is also possible, and we can avoid also this the quality issues, structural issues. We can avoid all this. Definitely this is a relevant technology, and it's the right time. PSI started this conference, and I wish this workshop will deliberate and many things regularly. Now what is it when we are bringing technology, when the industry is accepting, then what is next? To see the safety of the customers tomorrow. So that we also need a regulator to see the quality is maintained at the factory as well as the erection at the site. So they are also working out some codes how to develop these standardization in the country. And I hope this 2 days deliberation will definitely help in formulating the codes. And also I requested the organizers to come out with certain case studies. What is the cost comparison with the traditional way of construction and with the pre-engineering precast? What is the cost difference as in today? What are the advantages and what are the disadvantages? And over a period of time, how we are going to overcome the cost disadvantage also, because light materials are coming, new technology is coming, new machinery is coming. Most probably, I think over a period of time, the cost will come down drastically. Everybody's request is to Government of India, state government, is whatever the taxation is there, import duty or excise duty, on this type of technology they should give exemption. because housing is a primary requirement. So I hope the coming government after the elections will give some relief to the pre-engineered and precast technology. Thank you.